Say hi to Crystal, Calvin.
Reason not to keep the job.
Mom wants me to videotape it. Say hi to Crystal.
More money than we've ever seen in our
Crystal's
lives.
gonna do this.
It's a major red checker.
Say hi to Crystal, Calvin.
Why would come up with a whole commercial?
This is Calvin's pretty chair. This is Calvin's pretty ugly face. I just got shunned. I feel loved. Mom, Calvin's talking on the phone with Zach and slammed the door on me. I know. He wouldn't even say hi to Crystal, even though you told him to. We're gonna go.
Bye, hang up.
But my videos aren't exciting.
Alright, we'll have an exciting video another day.
Why?
I don't feel like having videos right now.
But you told me to.
No, I told you to videotape the boys, but they're being annoying. Bye.
I'm saving it on your head.
Cheyenne, stop getting in my head. Hang it up. Right now. Woody, get her. Get her.
Get her, dog. Want a treat?
Cheyenne, hang it up. I already gave him a treat.
Oh, you did that.
Cheyenne, I can't put it on if it's too long.